YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're going to be packaging some orders. I did forget to film an intro, so hence the intro will be a little different than the actual video. But yes, if you want to package orders with me and see how I package and ship orders, just stay tuned. Alright, create shipping label. And we're going to buy shipping label. Hey. Let's print our packing slip first. Yay. Now we're going to print off our label for this last order, and we'll be ready to package stuff up so we can get it to the post office. Yay! So excited. Alright, so we're done with that. So now I can close everything. I'm done fulfilling orders. See, they're fulfilled. We're done. Close my computer. So let me grab everything. Alright, so we have our shipping labels, packing slip. Alright, so let's go on and do the first order. I'm going to reposition you guys. Alright, so alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go on and get the stuff for these orders. So the first one, they ordered the Glam Goddess eyelashes, and then we have a bonding eyeliner and a lash adhesive. So Glam Goddess will be in here. And then we have our bonding liners in here and my lash adhesive as well. So we have these for these two orders. Alright, and then we're going to get the next two orders together, which they got Flirty and Boy Bye, a lash adhesive and a lash applicator. So Boy Bye is in our 3D collection, and Flirty's in our natural collection. And they got a lash applicator and adhesive. So we'll get one of the applicators out and one of the adhesives out. Alright, so this is for one order, and the next order they got Rendezvous, Enticing, and a bonding eyeliner. So Enticing is part of our natural collection. And Rendezvous is part of our 3D collection. And they got a bonding eyeliner. So here we go. So I got everything together, so I'm going to rearrange the camera so y'all can see what I'm doing, okay? Okay, so we're gonna get these packaged up. So I do need some cellophane for 2 of these boxes. I didn't pre-cellophane them like I did the other ones, or 3 of them. My hands are clean. I sanitized them and everything, so we're good to go. It's just easier to work without gloves for me. Stuff be sticking together. So we got our Glam Goddess. We'll put that in there and get that all sealed up. And then our Flirty. These are so cute. They pick some nice styles. I love all our lashes, but Glam Goddess, Flirty, and Boy Bye are definitely ones that I wear on a regular basis. So yes. And then we are going to, and Enticing is very cute. They are very enticing. They look great without eyeliner and with liner, so love them. Get off my fingers, fold that up. So we got those all packaged together. So let's get started. So I already have my organza bags, and they already have our spoolies and our micro brush cleaners in here. So I'm going to put the lashes in here along with 2 business cards. So if anybody asks, where'd you get your lashes? Here you go, boo. Check them out. And there we go. Get our next organza bag and put our glue and our bonding liner. Put 2 business cards in here as well. And another organza bag. And we're going to put our lashes in here. And the glue. The tweezers will not fit in the bag. Oh, forgot to put the business cards in here, you guys. Sometimes you forget things. That's okay. So we got our 2 business cards. Perfect. And then our next organza bag. Get our lashes in there. Let's see. I'm going to put these towards the back. There we go. And get us 2 business cards. And there we go. Oh, forgot to put the liner glue in there. The bonding eyeliner, y'all. Here we go. Bonding eyeliner inside there. Perfect. So now we're going to get our thank you cards. And there is a typo on here, so I'm going to fix that and just scratch it out. A thank you card. There's a typo. I know. I already had paid for them and I didn't see the typo, y'all. I was slipping, but that's all right. The typo is there's an I for girl and I use a U, which the computer auto-corrected that and I didn't pay attention. So now I'm just going to grab a bubble mailer and we're going to start putting everything together. So this is order 1016, Jasmine. Just fold this together, our packing slip. Okay, and get another bubble mailer. Love having everything on my little cart near me. So this one is Taylor 1015. Stuff in there. All right. So I'm gonna get this closed up. And I did get a suggestion from one of my viewers to put the label on last, but I do like putting the label on. Putting the label on first. I'm sorry. I did get a one of my subscribers did tell me to put the label on first. But I do like putting it on last because I like to put it over the closing of the bubble mailer as well. So, we'll see. Because I don't have any tape right now. Maybe I'll get some branded tape. but I like to put something on top of, you know, the opening so I can have extra security. So this one is done. And then we have this one, yeah, is Jasmine 1016. So we're gonna take that off, close that up, get our packing slip, which will be a great idea to put it on first so it'll be nice and smooth. But I do like to cover this, so maybe I will get some branded tape to put on the closing of the bubble mailer. I mean, this doesn't go too bad, but when they get full, it does get kind of messy. So those two are done. So let's go on and move on to the next two orders. So I'm gonna get my bubble mailers. And we're gonna put this to the side so we can fold everything up. Thank you card and packing slip. Oh, I need to look at the packing slip so I make sure I know whose order this is. This is 1017 Sarah. Alright, and we're going to put her order stuff in here. Alright. Fold that up and get this in there. This one is Fiona. So let's get this one closed. This one's Sarah and the other one is Fiona. Get our packing slip, shipping label. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all my words mixed up today. There we go. That is on there. And this is Miss Fiona. Here we go. Ooh. And close that up. And let's get the her shipping label. Put it right on top. There we go. We are good to go. You can see everything you need to see and scan everything you need to scan. And all of that is done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 orders that are going out that were from this morning because I like to ship out the same day if possible. So if you order after the post office is closed, it'll go out the next following day. But yes, I am super pleased and thankful for everybody that's been showing so much support and love for me and my business, Flirty Gurl Lashes. If you would like to get you something, I have a link down below and you can check us out at flirtygurllashes.com. But yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.